Hello guys, it's me again back with another video, and today I'll be drawing some light about the yet to be released Infinix S6 phone and all I know about it. I made a video on the Infinix Hot 9 phone, and if you haven't watched it, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. I have seen different videos on the Infinix S6 and I have decided to try and make my own video on the smartphone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to see more future videos. If you were to ever go on Google and look for the Infinix S6, you will see pictures like these which are fakes. This picture right here is the most authentic design of the S6, looking similar to the Infinix Hot 9. So according to this, it says that the Infinix S6 will have up to 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, or 64 or 128 gigabytes of RAM, depending on the variant of the S6 which you buy. The build of the phone is a glass front and a plastic body, and has a dual nano SIM card slot with a memory card slot and a micro USB port. And will have a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel and another 2 megapixel camera. The 5 megapixel camera should most likely be an ultra wide camera. The 2 megapixel camera should also be a depth sensor, and the other 2 megapixel camera should be a macro lens. The front camera has no punch-hole display unlike its previous model, the Infinix S5. Instead, it has a 32 megapixel pop-up camera. The display of the phone is a 6.6 inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600, which is 286 pixels per inch. The display may most likely be an Infinity O display just like the Hot 9, and will have Android 10 with XOS 6 and most likely have a dark mode feature. As you can see, not all the information of this phone is out yet, and some details here in the picture are wrong. We don't really know what colors the phone will be in, we just have to wait and see. The phone, in my opinion, may come out towards the end of the year, but I'm not sure. If you know any details of the release date, then comment below. According to Google, the price of the Infinix S6 is 9,990 Indian rupees, which is around $130 US, similarly priced as the Infinix S5 at the time of its release. What are my opinions on the device? Well, I feel that the S6 will be similar to the Infinix S5 spec-wise, but with added brand new features like a pop-up camera like the Infinix S5 Pro with Android 10 and XOS 6. What should you expect from the Infinix S6? Simple. Expect it to be slightly more powerful and have a better performance than the Infinix S5 phone. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more videos, and comment below on your thoughts. I hope to see you guys later, and peace out.